Yo, what's up? Now, other than IEMs, which at this point I think most of you know I dabble in those, I also like, audio equipments and basically audio setups in general. But the issue with having audio setups is that you technically cannot own like 5 to 6 pairs of speakers without cluttering your entire apartment. So I have with me today the JW Uni speakers from JW Speaker Labs, and it is a loan from my friend, which technically I promised him that I'll do it before Chinese New Year, and currently right now it is March 11th. And suffice to say, I really enjoyed this speaker throughout the months that I have it. Now, just for context, the JW speakers are a Malaysian-made speaker brand by Joseph Wong. And for something that is currently retailing as of filming this, 975 USD, equivalent to around 3.8k Malaysian ringgit. I really think Joseph has really hit the mark for this because I think they're gonna be taking a lot of the speaker demographics, just with this one price point. Mainly because of how well performing it is specifically for the mid-range. Now, fun fact, because you guys are probably looking at the B-roll right now and y'all gonna be like, why does this look extremely unfinished? A very big context is that a few years back, me and my friend went to NIAV. You went to his booth and we were like, wow, this is only 3K plus. And the most shocking thing is that he also has a promotion because he was just starting out. For anybody who can do it themselves, he also provides you with a DIY kit for only half the price. And my friend who has an electrical engineering degree, he decides to get that because he knows how to assemble. And after 2 years, after trying so many different types of speakers, although I have listened to very expensive speakers, in general, anything under 10K MYR, let's just say this probably gives you the most realistic and the most natural mid-range that you are going to be getting. This thing is rocking a 1-inch soft dome tweeter as well as a 6.5-inch paper cone mid-woofer, which if I'm not mistaken, I think he uses SP acoustics. And for people who are getting this, definitely just relax. This is a DIY kit, but for the completed versions, y'all can choose a few different colors which look extremely premium. Now, this is also a speaker that is having a closed system, or simply saying it has no ports. What does that mean? It means that there will probably be less bass than your usual ported speakers. Kind of like, my bronze 50s. These are ported, so the bass will be a little bit more lower. Comparing to this, although it has quite a level of roll-off, the difference doesn't really, take away that much of the experience because again, most of your stuff lives in the mid-range, and even with a little bit reduction in the ambiance, you could still enjoy it a lot, mainly because you're going to be having very rich full vocals. You're going to be having very organic instruments playing around you. And the only reason why I didn't choose the unis, comparing that to the bronzes, is because the bronzes had an offer back then and I got this for quite cheap. And technically, if I want to have the best experience, most people would pair this with a subwoofer, but I live in an apartment, so I cannot have that. This is just something a little bit extra that I just want to share, but technically it is making a lot of sense. After putting spikes on the JW speakers, it definitely has helped the lower end to lower a little bit more, which, oh yeah, for context, this thing by default can go as low as 65 Hertz, but with better treatment, it could technically be tracked down maybe even to 59. And although this sounds close, with proper room correction, with proper positioning, this thing will definitely have a very good control, but a slightly leaner type of bass. But again, I just want to highlight, this thing is most amazing when it comes to the mid-range and up. Mainly because, generally most of our instruments, most of our stuff lives in that area. And having something that is as real as that, having something that is quite body, having something like that is quite full, really gives it a very different level of ambience because you don't really need that much bass anymore. Or in another way, I could say, once you notice that much mid-range, once you notice such a rich amount, such a very luscious amount of that, you're probably going to be slightly unconsciously not noticing bass that much anymore. And speaking of the mids and up, they are smoothing out a little bit, but that definitely gives you a more relaxing tune, a more relaxing experience comparing to using something like the bronze 50s. Don't get me wrong, the monitor audios are still amazing, but if let's say we're going to be going for naturalness, we're going to be going for authenticity of the sound, I think the unis probably do it more justice. And generally, when we were at the audio show, we've also kind of asked around a few people, and most of them definitely agree that this thing sounds very good and can even contend to things that are 7, 8, 9, 10K MYR. Mainly, again, with how this thing recreates the mid-range. And all I can say is this thing, again, is probably more apartment friendly than the Mother Audios. Provided that you have good positioning, it will definitely sound extremely well. And added on, if you guys added spikes, if you guys have a more specific thing like a marble slab, it will help to lower the bass even more. And oh yeah, just one more thing that I want to share because I have zero idea where to put it in. This thing, for some reason, scales extremely well with NAD amplifiers, and more specifically, Class A amplifiers. So for people who already have something like a Class A, or in my case, something like, this vintage NAD 310, you're probably gonna have a very good time. So with that being said, for people who are around KL and y'all want to try these out, definitely give JW a visit. I'll leave all the links down below, and definitely give him a call first because the dude is running everything mostly by himself because he values every single product that comes out of his showcasing with high integrity. He wants to check if everything is solid before giving it out to you. So give him a call if you're free, and he'll definitely tell you when he is free, and you guys can definitely try it out as well. So with that being said, thank you for watching. Stay safe. Catch you guys in the next video, and until then, have a great day.